Color is one of the key ingredients of the creative process. Out of all tools in the designer's toolbox, color really speaks the most to the soul.
Colors are relative in nature. They shift depending on their context, the light, and the material.
Working with paper is a very hands-on and tactile experience, and I think you can only get to a good result by interacting with the material itself. Our process is very iterative. We want to allow time for the concept to grow. In the years that we've worked with Antalis, we've really created a relationship based on trust, and they really allow us to explore concepts in the most pure and authentic way, and this, I think, leads to an uncompromised and powerful result.
This tool empowers creatives to learn about color and learn how to explore and interact with the paper.
The texture of Keaykolour is incredibly rich, and it takes really complex print processes really well, such as macro foil embossing or like 3D sculpted blind embossing. We've used these print processes to really show how far you can push Keaykolour.
The Keaykolour inspiration tool that we created contains the full Keaykolour collection with cards that have die-cut windows, allowing creatives to isolate and interact with color. Color is like music. When you bring the different tones together into a composition, it allows you to compose with color.